Academic feedback, the bridge to success. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of the learning journey: academic feedback. This isn't just any feedback. It's the kind you get in educational settings to help you understand, learn, and improve. Let's explore what this means and how it's different in various contexts. At its core, academic feedback is information given to learners about their performance in a particular subject or skill. It's a teacher's assessment, a peer's perspective, or even self-evaluation. This feedback aims to highlight strengths, pinpoint areas of improvement, and provide clear directions to progress further. Ever wondered why feedback matters so much? Well, academic feedback helps learners identify their strengths and weaknesses, motivates them by showing progress or areas where effort is paying off, provides a roadmap for areas of study or practice, facilitates effective communication between instructors and students. 1. Formative feedback. This is provided during the learning process, helping students understand their current performance and how they can improve. Think of it as a check-in during the journey. 2. Summative feedback. Given at the end of an instructional unit, this type of feedback evaluates a learner's overall performance. It's like the end-of-journey review. 3. Peer feedback. This comes from classmates or peers. It's valuable because sometimes peers might understand certain struggles better than instructors. 4. Self-assessment. Encouraging learners to assess themselves can be very powerful. It nurtures self-awareness and independent learning habits. Do be specific. Instead of saying, "Great job," say, "Your use of descriptive adjectives made your essay vivid." Don't be overly critical without offering solutions. Do ensure feedback is timely. Fresh feedback is more effective than delayed comments. Don't compare students. Feedback should be individualized. Do maintain a positive tone, even when pointing out areas of improvement. Receiving feedback can be tough, but remember, it's a tool for growth, not criticism. Engage with the feedback actively. Ask questions if something isn't clear. Use it as a stepping stone to plan your next steps in the learning journey. And there you have it. Academic feedback isn't just a set of comments on your paper. It's the bridge to your next level of understanding and improvement. Embrace it, engage with it, and let it guide your English learning journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.